Once upon a time, a girl named Cinderella lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. Poor Cinderella had to work hard all day long so the others could rest. It was she who had to wake up each morning when it was still dark and cold to start the fire. It was she who cooked the meals. It was she who kept the fire going. The poor girl could not stay clean from all the ashes and cinders by the fire. Cinderella story. What a mess. Her two stepsisters laughed. And that is why they called her Cinderella. Quote. One day, big news came to town. The king and queen were going to have a ball. It was time for the prince to find a bride. All of the young ladies in the land were invited to come. They were wild with joy. They would wear their most beautiful gown and fix their hair extra nice. Maybe the prince would like them. At Cinderella's house, she now had extra work to do. She had to make two brand new gowns for her stepsisters. Faster! Shouted one stepsister. Times. Ezoic. X. Pause. Unmute. Current time 1:10. Duration 4:57. Full screen. Now playing, X. Video of Mousie the Merchant. Bedtime stories for kids play video. Mousie the Merchant. Bedtime stories for kids. Share. Watch on Humix. Mousie the Merchant. Bedtime stories for kids. You call that a dress? Screamed the other. Oh, dear, said Cinderella. When can I? The stepmother marched into the room. When can you what? Cinderella story. Well, said the girl, when will I have time to make my own dress for the ball? You? Yelled the stepmother. Who said you were going to the ball? What a laugh, said one stepsister. Such a mess. They pointed at Cinderella. All of them laughed. Cinderella said to herself, when they look at me, maybe they see a mess. But I am not that way. And if I could, I would go to the ball. Quote. Soon the time came for the stepmother and stepsisters to leave for the big party.